Ergonomic Design. The Corsair Dark Core RGB Pro is an impressive overall wireless gaming. It has an ergonomic shape designed for right-handed people, and this mouse is designed for a palm grip. And it should be easy to reach all the buttons for any sized hand. Optical mouse switches. There are 8 buttons, and you can reprogram all of them, including the scroll wheel click. If you're interested in a similar gaming mouse with configurable side buttons that allow you to install 1 or 2 side buttons on either side. 8 fully programmable buttons, customized with macros and button remaps for an in-game advantage. 50 million click-rated Omron switches. Get connected with 3 different modes. The Corsair Dark Core RGB Pro Wireless can be paired with its USB receiver or through Bluetooth, and you can also use it wired while charging. Corsair Wireless. SLIPSTREAM Corsair Wireless technology provides wireless devices with hyper-fast wireless transmission speeds and an ultra-long range, unwavering signal. Hyper-fast, sub-1 ms wireless speed with an exceptionally stable signal. Bluetooth. You can even use it via Bluetooth. I would recommend this mouse for your computer or even use it with a laptop. No dongle required. USB wired. Stay in the game. Plug in for wired mode to keep playing while charging. You can also use it wired while charging. Get a grip. This mouse is designed for a palm grip, and it should be easy to reach all the buttons for any sized hand. Very comfortable to use with a palm grip. Comfortable contoured shape with 2 included interchangeable side grips. Dynamic RGB backlighting. 9-zone dynamic RGB backlight, including an integrated light bar with 5 individually addressable RGB LEDs. Offers near-endless customization of colors and lighting effects. Pinpoint accuracy and precision. Equipped with an 18,000 dpi custom PixArt PAW3392 optical sensor, optimized for wireless with extremely low power consumption, and customizable in 1 dpi resolution steps. Hyperpolling technology. Hyperpolling technology communicates with your PC at up to 2 Hz, twice the speed of standard gaming mice. Call the shots. This updated design forgoes that, and instead returns to a more traditional design of having only back and forward buttons located there. Advanced gaming. The Corsair Dark Core RGB Pro is good for FPS games. It's packed with great gaming features such as exceptionally low click latency, a 2000 Hz maximum polling rate, and a wide CPI range. Qi wireless charging. Charge wirelessly with any Qi compatible charging device such as the Corsair MM1000 mousepad.